Bitcoin is pumping like crazy to the upside after the SEC has announced the ticker symbol for the VanEck ETF. So, but the question is, will we pump here straight to 60K, or will we get an initial rejection at this specific price level? That is something that I want to talk about. Hi, my name is Alex from Iron Crypto, and let's get here straight to 60K. So I'm here on the 4 hourly time frame. So in here, 2 hours ago, we saw here this 4 hourly candle pumping like crazy to the upside and opening this new candle here and smashing through our resistance zone. So I did not expect that we would get such a huge pump here into this resistance block. So, but right now we are facing resistance at the top of it, and that was something that I was anticipating if we get close to this specific price level here of $59,973 approximately. So, but I have put my money where my mouth is. I told you guys, if we get over 59,100, I will open a new trade. So it was at 525 when I woke up. So that's where I took the position, $371,000 in contracts. So I will keep scaling into this position. It doesn't matter now if we get lower or if we go a little bit higher. Either way, I will now scale up this position to $6 million, as I had mentioned. So, and if you also want to take advantage of this price movement right now, then you can go to Bybit, use my link in the pinned comment below. There you still get $600 in bonuses, and there are some amazing news coming up from Bybit in the next coming of weeks. So you should definitely sign up and take advantage of what's happening there in the near future. And if you don't like Bybit, you can still also go to Phemex. There's also a 1,200 bonus still available for taking advantage of my trade call. So let's get back into Bitcoin. So here on the 4 hourly time frame, we can also see that Bitcoin had here, when we were coming down, this V-shaped recovery, went sideways and then broke here actually higher. So now the question is obviously, will we break through this or not? And for that, we can have a look at the volume. So when I go here to the 1 hourly chart, or actually let us go even lower, let us go into a 50-minute chart to see what's happening here. So we can see here that on the initial move here to the upside, there was massive volume coming in to break us here into this resistance block. So, and now we have here a little divergence because volume is going down, price is going up. So which is normally a sign for that we might roll over here a little bit or continue to go sideways, and that the next bigger pump here to the up or to the downside is already in the works. But obviously based on volume, we cannot tell if it's now to the upside or to the downside. So if you also took now a trade like I did and you want to protect yourself, so I would most likely set my stop here. So let me show you why. So you see here, here's that small low candle. I would place it here just in case that the price comes back, steps through the resistance box to the downside and a little bit, and then actually turns around and breaks to the upside. So in that way, I'm protected. So if it wicks me out, it's not that bad, you know, so I will not lose that much. Oh, actually, no, that stop is too low. That will definitely stop me out. Kill my position. Sorry, guys. So in that case, I would put my stop here, that I don't take it too much big hit right now, because I'm in with 25x. So you should not do what I do with 25x. I recommend you lower leverage, and then actually you can put your stop all the way down here. If you trade with let's say 5x, it's not a problem to put your stop down there. But if you trade with higher leverage, I would set my stop here. I'm not using a stop right now. I want to scale into the position either when we go a little bit lower and then back up, or if we continue to go up here, then I want to also continue to scale in. So there's for me no reason to have a stop right now. So let's also have a look here on the cup and handle pattern. So here we can now clearly see that we're also running here into this resistance zone here on that cup and handle pattern that is coming from here, there, here when we're touching this line, and there. And remember guys, I had told you yesterday that I expect not a directly breakthrough this line here when we get up there, based on the confluence that we have from the past, from all these touch points here along that line, and that will be crucial resistance to break around the $60K area. So and that is exactly what we are experiencing right now. So but I still expect here a breakthrough, and like I said, then I will add to my position. So and the technical target is all the way up here at $74,000. So you can also have a look here on my position once again. I put my order, my take profit order, a little bit lower just to make sure that I get personally filled at this price level, and get out with my profits. So if you don't follow me on Twitter yet, you can also follow me on Twitter. My Twitter handle is mycryptocoach, and also the Telegram channel. You find the link to the Telegram channel. The channel is absolutely for free in the pinned comment below, and also in the video description there is the link to the Telegram channel, guys. Then here in Ethereum, I want to have also a quick look here. Here also we are breaking now into this crucial resistance box here. So and we can see that this inverse head and shoulders that I was drawing here is actually playing out exactly as I had predicted it yesterday, that when we are getting here a further pump to the upside, that I think that pattern is validated, and this is exactly what we are seeing right now. So here you can also expect a new all-time high pretty soon of $4,500 for Ethereum once we are breaking here through this crucial resistance level. So we are running here also in resistance at this line, that is the $3,893 level, and there is here $3,971 level that was here, that prior high that we could not break, where we get rejected heavily. So but now we are getting close to it again, once again. So and if Bitcoin breaks here in over 60K, you can expect Ethereum to follow, to break here this crucial resistance and to continue to go further to the upside. But at the same time, we should also not forget that the Bitcoin dominance is here also rising again. So not all altcoins will now go up with Bitcoin. We should not forget that while the Bitcoin dominance is going up, that many of them will actually suffer. We came here all the way back down to the support line of 44.4, and from there the Bitcoin dominance is getting now a bounce. So we might see here a new retest of 46.6, but then I expect a down break here to the downside for the Bitcoin dominance and a huge rally in most of all altcoins. Let's also have a quick look here at Cardano. Cardano is still, in my opinion, now here forming this W. So this starts looking more and more like a W. So if you are in a short position, I would actually soon potentially close that position. So you should be at break even. And once we are breaking here back into this ascending triangle, there I would open a long position and then ride it all the way up to the technical target to the upside. So this is starting also to look more and more like that Cardano wants to go back to the upside, especially when these next 2, 3, 4 candles completing here the W, and then this upward sloping support line becomes the neckline of the W, and then we just need a break of it, and the break would be then the confirmation for me that we continue to go here higher. Guys, let me actually know in the comments what you actually think is going to happen. Do you think today is the day where we break 60K, or will we face a major resistance and we have to wait a little bit more? I actually want to know your opinion, what you think about this. I want to enter the discussion with you. That is already the end of the video again, guys. I'm thinking I forgot something. Yeah, the mentorship program is actually open again. Also, the link for the Google document is also in the pinned comment below. If you want to be mentored by me, then go to the pinned comment below. Don't forget, it is not for free. I just want to repeat this. It is not for free. Some people thinking sometimes that I do it for free. My time is unfortunately limited, so I have to put a price tag on it. Yeah, so fill out the form, then my team will reach out to you, and we will see if you are eligible and a match for this mentorship program. Other than that, thank you for watching again, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please smash up the like button, click the subscribe button, also activate all notifications, and I see you tomorrow at 60K.